This video will show you how to do hand pointing animation of Rico character. So I will be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial. So make sure you download Flipaclip from Play Store so you can follow along with the tutorial. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified about our new video. Now, let's continue making the video. So I will click on this plus icon to create a project. So I'm going to name my project. So I'll just name it Rico Animation Hand Movement. So I'll also click on this background on to import my background. So I'll click on this image icon. Then I've already designed a background. Look at it there. So I will just click on it to add it into my project. So this is the background I just designed. So I'll click on this, I'll mark it, then go to canvas size. Yes, very important, go to canvas size, and then if your video is for YouTube, select that first one, YouTube 1080p. That is the one that you can use for YouTube. So click on create project to start your animation. So we are on Flipaclip interface. So the next thing is click on this layer panel over there. Now, based on our animation, click on that plus icon. We are going to add up to 3 different layers, and we are going to name the first layer Rico character. So this is where we import our characters. Then this second one is hand movement, because our animation is focusing on hand movement. Then I'll just add a little bit of lip sync just to make my character to kind of talk a little bit. So add all lips. Then I'll click on Rico character. Then I will click on these 3 dots over at the top to import my Rico character. So click on add image. So then click on that 3 dots, browse where you saved your character. So this is my character. As you can see, I've already designed the character for the animation, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. I have a tutorial video on how I create my Rico characters on my Telegram channel. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel in order to gain access to that very video. So moving on with the tutorial, click on that lasso to select your character, then copy it, then go to the next frame and then paste it. This is just the basic hints I'm just teaching you guys. So I've copied it, then I've pasted it in the next frame. Now the next thing is for you to zoom in. So when you zoom in, we need to work on the hand. So we need to select the eraser tool and use it to clean that hand, because of what we want to add another hand movement. So I'm going to clean off the hand movement that was already there, just to make my character hand just to animate my character's hand. So I'll just use my eraser tool to clean off the hand. So when cleaning off, you can change the size of your eraser brush. You can change the size of your eraser brush so that it won't clean off everything at once. So just easily clean off the parts that you need to clean off. So when it comes to animation, you need to be patient so that you can achieve a smooth animation. Okay, so I think I'm done cleaning off. I'm almost done cleaning off the hand movement, so I think I'm done now. Okay, you see the way I was able to clean off, and the thing is still looking neat. So that is why you need to do animation, like don't rush things, do it slowly. Then go back to your lasso tool. Then the next thing you will do is to click on that layer panel again. So then go to your hand movement. Then you will import a new hand movement. You see the way I arrange my own, very easy. So this hand movement now is the one that I'm going to use to replace it. You see that this one is kind of pointing towards that please subscribe. You see is pointing towards that please subscribe. So if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class, where I will teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your Rico character with your smartphone. So it's also available on my Telegram channel. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and gain access to my animation class. So moving on, I'm going to go to the hand movement again. Then I will import another hand movement that I've already designed earlier on. So use your lasso tool to move it to be at the right position. So this one now is the extreme pose. So this my animation now is based on pose to pose. So I've added the extreme pose. So if you play the video now, we have already achieved a smooth animation already. Hope you can see it. I don't want this video to be too long, so I fast forward some things. When I was doing the mouth movement, I fast forward it. But if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me and I will teach you more on how to animate personally. Okay, so I recommend you join my animation class on my Telegram for a well-detailed tutorial. I hope you are following along with the tutorial. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop a new video on this channel. So let's continue from where we stopped. So click on that three dots. I want to show you something. Go to frame viewers. Here you will be able to increase the duration or the length of your animation video. So I will select all my frames. So I will copy it and then paste it throughout. So by doing this now, you can easily achieve a long animation video. So we are done making our animation video. So it's time for us to export the video. So click on make movie. Now you see that my Flipaclip is a premium version. Yes. So they are not showing watermark. So this app is available for my students. Anyone that wants to join my animation class, you get this app for his phone animation. So I'll click on make movie to export my video. So the video is now exporting. So it will take some time for the video to export. So let's wait for it. So when you are done exporting, you can play the video and also you can share it to your social media platform. So let's play the video now. You see? So guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm ready to give you more animation tutorial. Okay? And if you want me to teach you more in details how to create cartoon animation video like this, I'll recommend you join my Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. You will see my Telegram channel link there. So click the link and join my Telegram channel and also contact me for my animation class. Okay, so that you will gain a deeper teaching from me on how to animate Rico character. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video, comment and share this video because I'm dropping new tutorial every week. Okay, I'll see you on the next week with a new video. Bye.